Oke. Kalau mau gabung ditulis di sini ya, di chat ya. Jadi sekarang Melody, Zahra sama Izzy ya. Kalau mau gabung taruh di chat ya. English level test ya di sini. Oke, let's continue. Oke. Which sentence is correct? Ya. A. Sarah have a very big house. Sarah has a very big house. Sarah has very big house. Melody, pay attention. Which sentence is correct? Sarah have a very big house. Sarah has a very big house, or Sarah has very big house.
Sarah has a very big house.
Okay. Zahra, which sentence is correct?
Sarah has a very big house. B.
Easy. Which sentence is correct?
Hmm, B. Sarah has a very big house.
Oke. Yang lain jawab juga ya. Jadi walaupun nggak bilang, tapi bisa dijawab sendiri ya. Nah, jawabannya nanti yang benar dihitung ya. Nah, jadi yang benar dihitung ada 6 kalau nggak salah atau 8 pertanyaan nanti. Yang benar dihitung ya. Nanti ini dihitung sendiri ya. Oke, saya kasih waktu. Which sentence is correct? Sarah have a very big house. Sarah has a very big house. See, Sarah has very big house. Oke, udah siap? Udah ada jawabannya masing-masing? Oke, kita lanjutkan. Jawabannya adalah Sarah has a very big house. Jadi kalau salah dihitung ya, 0 gitu ya. Yang benar 1. Oke. Jadi in present simple we use has for he, she, it ya. Singular noun require an article a or the ya, definite article atau indefinite article a ya. Example, Sarah has a very big house. Jadi ini adalah singular ya, singular noun ya. House nggak ada s-nya, singular singular noun ya. Kemudian subjeknya adalah Sarah. Sarah adalah she ya. Jadi harus pakai has ya. Oke. Ada yang kalau ada pertanyaan langsung ya. Ya in present simple we use has for he, she, it. Singular nouns require an article ya indefinite a or definite the ya. Bedanya apa kalau ngomongin secara umum itu A ya. Tapi kalau kita udah tahu mobilnya mana ya, ya that is a red car ya. Jadi itu secara umum. Tapi kalau misalkan mobilnya punya Easy ya, the red car belongs to Easy ya. Jadi ada the-nya. Jadi mobil itu ya, bukan mobil yang lain ya. Mo- Oke. Which sentence is correct? A. I doesn't like cheese. B. I not like cheese. C. I don't like cheese. Melody, which sentence is correct? Unmute.
I not like I don't like cheese.
Okay, C. I don't like cheese. Zahra, which sentence is correct?
C. I don't like cheese.
Lizzie, which sentence is correct?
I don't like cheese. C.
Okay. Oke, yang lain juga dijawab ya. Dijawab which sentence is correct? I doesn't like cheese. I not like cheese. I don't like cheese. Saya hitung sampai 3 ya. Ya harus dicatat jawabannya apa. Nanti benernya dihitung sendiri ya. Oke, kita hitung sampai 3. 1, 2, 3, jawabannya adalah I don't like cheese. Ya, yang benar dihitung ya 2 ya. Kenapa I don't like cheese? In negative present simple we use don't for I, you, we, they. So you don't like cheese, we don't like cheese, they don't like cheese. Ya, tapi kalau subjeknya he, she, it, nah itu pakainya doesn't. Ya, he doesn't like cheese, she doesn't like cheese, it doesn't like cheese. Nah, it itu bisa kucing ya, bisa dog ya. I don't like cheese ya. Example, I don't like cheese. Oke, ada pertanyaan? Jelas ya, kalau subjeknya I, you, we, they pakainya don't. Kalau subjeknya he, she, it pakainya doesn't. Oke. Time berikutnya, which sentence is correct? A. She goes to the office in taxi. She goes to the office by taxi. She goes to the office by a taxi. Melody, which sentence is correct?
She goes to the office in taxi.
Udah? In taxi? Zahra, which sentence is correct?
She goes to the office by taxi. B.
Okay, easy. Which sentence is correct?
C. He
Huh?
goes to the C.
Okay,
He goes to the office by a taxi.
by a taxi. Oke, yang lain jawab juga ya. Saya hitung sampai 3. Which sentence is correct? She goes to the office. Ini kalau ada vowel ya, O itu bacanya the ya. She goes to the office in taxi ya, bukan the ya, karena dia vowel ya, bukan konsonan ya. She goes to the office by taxi. She goes to the office by a taxi ya. Saya hitung sampai 3 ya. Yang benar yang mana ya? Perhatikan ya. Ini bedanya itu in taxi, by taxi, atau by a taxi. Nah, jawabannya adalah teng teng. Dihitung ya salah satu benernya ya. 1, 2, 3. B. She goes to the office by taxi. Jadi nggak pakai indefinite article ya. Kenapa when talking about transport we use by? Contohnya by car, by bus, by taxi. Without the atau without a. Incorrect. I go by the taxi. Jadi kalau I go by the taxi itu salah ya. Oke, dihitung salahnya ya. Dihitung benernya, dihitung salahnya. Ada pertanyaan? Ya ingat-ingat ya, by car, by bus, by taxi ya. Nggak usah ditambahin nggak usah ditambahin the ya. Misalkan Bu Sari berarti I go by car ya kan? I go by car. Which sentence is correct? Yuk lanjut. Tanya keempat, which sentence is correct? She live in France. She lives in France. She is live in France. Melody, which sentence is correct?
She is live in France.
Yang mana? Which one?
C.
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 Zahra, which sentence is correct?
She lives in France. B.
Easy. Which sentence is correct?
She lives in French. B.
Oke, yang lain jawab ya. Yang lain jawab juga. Saya hitung sampai 3. Which sentence is correct? She live in France. Nanti bisa dicek di Google Translator ya. Bacanya France, atau apa ya. France ya. She lives in France. She is live in France. Ya, France. Oke, teng teng. 1, 2, 3. Lihat, kira-kira jawabannya apa? Teng teng. She lives in France. Ya, ini sama dengan she goes to the school ya. She lives. Jadi apa? In present simple, verbs take s with ya. Jadi kalau subjeknya itu he, she, it itu ada s-nya ya. He lives, she lives, it lives ya. Ingat-ingat ya. He lives, she lives, it lives. He goes, she goes, it goes ya. Ya, ini pertanyaan keempat. Ya, dihitung salahnya berapa, benarnya berapa ya. Pertanyaan kelima. Which sentence is correct? He not can swim. He doesn't can swim. He can't swim. Melody? Which sentence is correct? He not can swim. He doesn't can swim. He can't swim.
He not can swim.
Oke. Zahra?
He
Which
can't.
sentence? Huh?
He can't swim. See.
Easy. Which sentence is correct?
He doesn't deh. He doesn't can swim.
Okay. Easy. Which sentence is correct?
He doesn't can swim.
Oke. Yang lain jawab juga ya. Saya hitung sampai 3. Which sentence is correct? He not can swim. He doesn't can swim. He can't swim. Ya. 1, 2, teng teng, 3. Jawabannya adalah he can't swim. Ini namanya modal verb ya. Can is a modal verb and doesn't need do atau does ya. Jadi may ya, can, may, might itu modal verb ya. Incorrect, he doesn't can swim itu salah. Correct, he can swim ya. He cannot swim atau he can swim. Ingat ya, can itu adalah modal verb. Jadi nggak perlu do atau does ya. Oke, hitung salahnya benernya ya. Ini pertanyaan kelima. Ada pertanyaan? Kita lanjut. Ya, ada cuma ada 5. Jadi tanya ada 5 ya, benar ya? Oke, ada 5. Jadi dihitung salahnya berapa. Jadi kalau eh, oke, jadi dihitung ininya ya apa namanya? Nggak masalah salah ya, karena kita lagi belajar basic ya, basic English ya. Harusnya ada 8 pertanyaan, ternyata cuma ada 5. Oke, jadi dihitung salahnya benernya ya.